So we're looking for Lise, my wife. She's gone missing. So maybe she's on our Pirates of the Caribbean. Maybe Timtracker's here. Timtracker's not. He is. Well, we're heading out. What? Wait, what? Didn't we just... Lise, are you... Lise, we're just here. Okay. All right. Here we go. Ah, we found the entrance. See you on the boat. Arr, matey. Lise, Lise, are you what? Timtracker? No. Where is he hiding? Did you tell me where my did you tell me where my wife is? Crab. Really, it's a pretty crabby situation over there. If a seagull flies over a bay, is it a bagel? Hey, have you seen my wife's face? Have you? She didn't even say anything. What? Get it.
Surrenders, Captain Jack Sparrow, or my thunder will burn the city to the ground. They need a bit of persuasion, ladies. Fire it will. It's Captain Jack Sparrow. Right out you white man, you scurvy scum.
Well, big Jack Sparrow, speak up. Only about your swims who gave you trouble.
Tell him, Carlos, don't be cheating.
Are you smoking as well? Everyone in England!
Quit your clucking. The gentleman wants the room. Don't you, boy?
Now, you scurvy skunk! Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10! The key as well. To see the look Captain Jack Sparrow's face. When he hears tell, 'tis only me what's got the goods. Keep still. I'm stuttering. It's a treasure that no mistake.
And got less, got more than I do. The Paris. You see my wife? Please, that you think no. Look, that's a big one. He's a big one. Like having a drink. Right. Where are we going? Oh, the famous scene.
Say quick. Hey, Jimi. What are you doing with this? Hey, Captain, have you seen my wife?
You know this song, Terry? Feel free to join in any class. I will love well and dance to the up with Joe.
I think he's had too much rum. I don't think he's seen my.
And it's many shiny room.
Well, I think he's overly drunk.
Ladies, welcome back.
Yeah.
Watch your step as you exit.
Well, couldn't find Lee's, so we'll continue on. Keep watching. Maybe one day we'll find her. But not on the pirate of the Caribbean. Arr.